So today I'm sharing a really easy Christmas fudge, no boil chocolate fudge recipe I've been making since I was a little girl. So what you do is you're going to start with 3 cups of chocolate chips, semi-sweets fine, and you're going to put that in a large glass bowl or a batter bowl like I have here. You're going to top that with 1.5 cups of sweetened condensed milk. Stir it together a little bit just to kind of get it mixed and coated. Then you're going to pop this in the microwave for 1 minute. Here it is out of the microwave. You see where it's still got a few little lumps kind of left in it. Give it a really good stir and judge yourself because each microwave is different. I put mine back in the microwave this time, and every time after I recommend doing it for 30 seconds at a time. Here's mine after another 30 seconds, and you're going to see it's icing smooth and nice just as once I stir it. So I'm going to casually add a little bit of salt, teaspoon of vinegar, and 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. Blend it well together so everything's mixed. And then pour it in a pre-buttered and lined 8x8 square pan. If you take a look here, you can see where it's already starting to harden. So you want to do this fast. So you can see where it's already stiffening up there a little bit. Once that's out of there, I like to quickly grab a new and clean spatula and butter it before I use it to spread the fudge nice and smooth. Once you got it smooth the way you like it, I want you to lift up your pan of fudge and just drop it a couple of times. You'll see me do it here right away. That's just to get some of the air bubbles out if any are happen to be present. Now I'm going to wrap it in clear plastic wrap and pop the whole thing in the fridge. It takes about 2 hours letting it chill in the fridge. Once it's solid, take it, pull it out of the pan. And the extra parchment paper that I use makes it easy. It might not be pretty, but it makes it easy, gives you lots to hold on to pull it out. Then I'm going to pull the parchment paper back. And using a very large knife, I'm going to cut it into, 1.5 inch pieces. Now, once I get this all cut, you can serve it right away. You can wrap it, if you want to wrap it in plastic and put it in a airtight tin. It'll sit on your cupboard for a week or so. It would never last that long. It's been a long time since I've done that. This is how I usually finish my fudge. I take it and I make it early enough and I freeze it. It freezes very well for up to 3 months. I just pop it into parchment bundles like this, between 6 and 12 pieces in each bundle. Wrap it up like old school, like we used to do sandwiches with wrapping paper eons ago. with wax paper, I mean. Fold it under, and then I place it in a plastic bag. You can place it inside of a airtight container and put it in the freezer too if you like. The choice is yours. I hope you like it. My family has for a very long, long time.